Bile salts, often overlooked heroes in our digestive system, play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. These natural compounds, produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder, aid in the digestion and absorption of fats. However, their benefits extend beyond the digestive process. In this article, we'll explore the 10 remarkable benefits of using bile salts for health and wellness. 1. Improved digestion. Bile salts act as emulsifiers, breaking down large fat molecules into smaller, more manageable particles. This process, known as emulsification, enhances the efficiency of digestive enzymes, facilitating the absorption of essential nutrients. Improved digestion contributes to overall gastrointestinal health and prevents issues such as bloating and indigestion. 2. Enhanced nutrient absorption. The emulsification of fats by bile salts not only aids digestion but also promotes the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, and other nutrients. By ensuring optimal nutrient absorption, bile salts support various bodily functions, including immune system strength, bone health, and skin integrity. 3. Liver detoxification. Bile salts play a crucial role in the liver's detoxification process. They help eliminate waste products, toxins, and excess cholesterol from the liver, preventing the buildup of harmful substances that could otherwise lead to liver dysfunction. Regular use of bile salts can support the liver's natural detoxification mechanisms. 4. Cholesterol regulation. Bile salts play a pivotal role in regulating cholesterol levels in the body. By emulsifying cholesterol, they facilitate its elimination through the digestive system, preventing the formation of gallstones and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Maintaining optimal bile salt levels can contribute to a healthier cholesterol profile. 5. Gallbladder health. Bile salts are essential for the proper functioning of the gallbladder. They prevent the formation of gallstones by ensuring that cholesterol and other components remain in a soluble form, minimizing the risk of crystallization. This helps maintain gallbladder health and prevents issues such as gallbladder inflammation and pain. 6. Support for weight management. The role of bile salts in fat digestion and absorption has implications for weight management. Efficient digestion and nutrient absorption can contribute to a feeling of satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, by regulating cholesterol metabolism, bile salts indirectly support a healthy weight by preventing the accumulation of excess fat. 7. Prevention of constipation. Bile salts contribute to the overall health of the digestive system by preventing constipation. Their role in emulsifying fats helps to soften stool, making it easier to pass. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with constipation or other digestive issues. 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Bile salts exhibit anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe and protect the gastrointestinal tract. By reducing inflammation, bile salts contribute to a healthy gut environment, potentially alleviating symptoms associated with conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. 9. Balanced gut microbiota. Maintaining a balanced gut microbiota is crucial for overall health, and bile salts play a role in this equilibrium. They modulate the growth and composition of gut bacteria, promoting a healthy balance between beneficial and harmful microorganisms. This balance is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune system function. 10. Improved energy levels. Efficient digestion and nutrient absorption facilitated by bile salts contribute to increased energy levels. When the body effectively processes and absorbs nutrients, it has the fuel it needs to function optimally. This can result in improved energy levels, better concentration, and enhanced overall well-being. In conclusion, the benefits of using bile salts extend far beyond their role in digesting fats. From promoting liver health to supporting weight management and enhancing nutrient absorption, these natural compounds play a crucial role in maintaining overall health and wellness. Incorporating bile salt supplements or ensuring a diet that supports their production can be a valuable step towards optimizing digestive health and promoting a robust, balanced well-being.